when we have a healthy system and everything's functioning normally, nutrients are delivered to the tooth. So what happens is we chew, and then the chewing activates the parotid glands here, which are like, you know, behind that area. They, just from chewing food, that gets activates the hypothalamus, because everything goes back to the hypothalamus. And then that puts this whole system into motion, where then we're digesting the food, and then the nutrients come back up to the tooth area. We all know we have tooth roots. So the tooth is like a tree with roots, and the roots are pulling up nutrients from the soil into the tooth, into the tree, so to speak. It's like sap. And then when it goes into the pulp chamber, then what's supposed to happen is the nutrients turn from a blood to a clear lymphatic liquid. And this is all happening on a microscopic level. And then through the odontoblast, this fluid now, this dentinal fluid, is getting pumped up and out onto the surface of the teeth. So on the surface of our teeth, we have this microscopic sweat comes out of the teeth, and then that coalesces with the saliva to, you know, help areas of repair and just to keep the mouth in balance. That's what happens in a healthy mouth. When we are stressed out, you know, hormonal times like pregnancy or teenageness, or we are eating sugar or really poor diets with no minerals in them, like classic junk food, what happens is that system stagnates, which is called the dentinal transport fluid or dentinal lymphatic system. It stagnates, and then if things get worse, then it actually reverses. So then what happens is that our teeth actually, rather than pulling up like trees, nutrients up, the tooth becomes like a straw, and then we suck into the tooth bacteria and fungus and microbes into the tooth. So then tooth becomes like a straw, and then that is the genesis of decay. So the sugar affects the teeth, but only in the sense that it's affecting the blood sugar levels in the body, which are then turning into other chemical reactions with hormones that are making that system not work. So we want to have a healthy system where then we're pulling nutrients into the tooth rather than the reverse.